this video we're going to change the drain plug that has broken, as we can see. So actually it's not that hard of an actual process. What you need is this next little tool, which will go down in the drain, and that part hooks up to your half-inch socket. And then to seal it all off, we're going to use some plumber putty. So let's get started. So we're going to start with this tool, and again, depending on the size of your drain, either going to put this in, which obviously that one's too big for my drain, or you put this end down, and it'll go around the 4 of those squares in there. So pop that in. Again, you can see the 4 crosshairs, see the teeth. Line that up till it pops down. And you're going to take your half-inch socket. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, let's set the camera down so we can flip this. Now turn slow so you don't break anything. And actually they'll turn out pretty easy. And once you got it loosened, you can just use the tool, keep spinning. And keep spinning. Okay, and obviously, yeah, nasty. So that's cleaned out, and obviously with that you want to make sure that your drain's cleaned out before you put your new one back in. Okay, you can see you got the drain all cleaned out now. And what we're going to do now is screw this in. Some come with a rubber seal, mine did not, so you can see that I've got the putty down in there. So what I did was took the plumber's putty, packed it around the bottom of this and around the threads, and then screwed it in. And I just screwed it back out so you can see what it looked like afterwards. Alright. We're going to take our tool, make sure it's straight. If you're not sure if it's straight, reverse it until you feel it sliding. Turn it, you should be able to feel it going down in there. If you can't feel it going down smooth like this, reverse it, and that'll set your threads correctly. And then you just turn it back in. And I'll just hand turn this at this point. And turn it. Now you don't want to over tighten this. So I'm going to use my socket. And not over tightening, just tightening it up till it's snug. Because I don't want to strip the threads, because then you're screwed, because then you got to replace your pipe. Again, that's till it's snug. This one's nice and snug. Now the one I have right now has a screw type in there, so we're going to screw this in. Oops. Okay, we're going to screw it till it's tight. Now you can see that it stays up for the water, and I turn it and it goes down the seal. Snug it up tight. Again, I'm using blue gloves because I don't want putty stuck all over my hands, plus the oils off your fingers. And that's how you replace a bathtub drain. Thanks. Thanks for watching.